We're going to do a brief video on AUD USD. That's AUD USD Analysis, and we've got a daily chart of the Aussie against the dollar, and we can see the red, a blue 200-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a green 5-day moving average. You can see this currency's been in a bear market arguably since at least April of 2022 and is in a bear market right now. We're basically going back and forth, approaching the 200-day moving average and selling off. That's basically what's going here. You can see the 200-day is not in a tremendous decline, and so it's arguable that it's not going to be able to do that again. A rally up to this 68 level, 0.6868 level would be required to get it to bounce off this 200-day moving average in the next couple weeks, 3 weeks, maybe even 4, and I think that's going to be a long stretch for this. It's possible, but it's not likely. I think what's more likely is we'll get a rally in this currency, probably up to the 0.675 level, and then it's probably going to turn around and go back down the other way. But at least in the short term, I'm looking at a rally in this currency over the next 3 weeks, probably to the 0.675 level. It's got to get above, to do that, it's got to get above the 5-day moving average, has got to get above the 20-day moving average, and obviously the price has got to get above all of it to get it there to 0.675. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m. We put 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. These are trading days, and basically you pick a column, and you, assuming your own analysis is a good idea, you buy in the 1-day column, you close it out worst case the next trading day at a loss at the end of the next trading day, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So let's take a look, same thing all the way across. So let's take a look and see what it says for the dollar. The Aussie AUD USD short position at 0.648 this morning, 0.648. Let's see what it looks like. 0.648, and it looks like it did get there. It looks like so far it's gotten there and bounced up 0.6. Where is it? 0.648. So it did get live there for a little bit, and you could have made a few pips on it already. And of course, the algorithm works. You get in there today, take your profits as soon as you get them. So you could have taken those, or you wait till tomorrow and see if you can get some more. That's up to you. Keep in mind, all for entertainment purposes only, all in our opinion. That's our algorithmically generated prices. You can get access to all those every morning before 7 a.m., as well as 190 stocks. Again, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below, and they're all updated, again, Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And please leave us a comment in the comments section below if you have something great to say. And keep in mind, all of our entry prices and our commentaries for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment, and you definitely should do your own analysis and trade at your own risk.